Hi, I'm Razi Shah, and I'll be your trainer for the Digital Marketing Fundamentals course. I have over a decade of experience spanning across corporate sectors such as digital marketing, business development, and management. I also co-own an award-winning full-service digital marketing agency in the Asia-Pacific region, Two Stallions. I am a speaker and international trainer and have conducted workshops for hundreds of government officials from over 27 countries. In this course, I'll bring you into the world of digital marketing and all that it entails. We'll cover 4 main learning units. The first will be an introductory unit. The second will teach you about digital marketing funnels. The third will be jam-packed with actionable digital marketing strategies. And the fourth will walk you through digital marketing analytics. Let's dive right in, shall we? In this learning unit, you'll be introduced to the world of digital marketing. It's a vast one, no doubt. But by the end of this learning unit, you'll become familiar with what digital marketing is, the difference between digital and traditional marketing, why digital marketing is important to business owners and marketers, the role digital marketing plays in a business, 10 digital marketing channels, what B2B and B2C digital marketing are, the difference between them, the real-world impact of digital marketing through case studies, what a digital marketer does, and finally, pricing models used by digital marketing agencies. Let's dive right into what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is essentially marketing your products or services using digital technologies via the internet. So things like social media, mobile phones, tablets, desktops, or any other digital platform. There are many different digital marketing strategies: general digital marketing strategies, content marketing strategy, search engine optimization, SEO for short, digital advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. With the combined forces of both internet and technology, digital marketers today are able to collect and analyze data of different customers or user engagements. This is amazing because this allows digital marketers to develop highly personalized content and ads for clearly defined audiences. The result? Much better engagement and goals being met more easily. So compared to digital marketing methods such as print, billboards, and TV, digital marketing is primarily data-driven, which ultimately is the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. You might now be wondering, why exactly is it important to understand the world of digital marketing in the first place? So if you're a digital marketer or an aspiring one, the reasons might be self-explanatory, but let's take a quick look at why nonetheless. You see, there is now an ever-increasing amount of businesses across a rising number of industries moving their services online, which is in turn increasing the demand for digital marketing professionals. Getting a business online is one thing, but letting the right audiences online know about what that business has to offer is a whole different ballgame. And that's where skilled digital marketers come in. This means that the time now is ripe to start building a career in digital marketing. The earlier you start honing your skills, the better you'll be positioned to take advantage of the digital disruption and not miss out on a fulfilling career in the digital marketing space. For business owners, the main role digital marketing plays is to increase the amount of avenues businesses have to reach specific customers. Digital channels allow businesses to reach customers in an extremely targeted manner, often in ways traditional marketing can't. A business that doesn't take advantage of digital marketing in today's digital landscape will miss out on many opportunities. So this begs the question, what digital marketing channels are available for digital marketers and business owners to take advantage of? In the next video, let's start off by taking a look at 2 of the digital marketing channels: websites and search channels.